Hello students, let's discuss a question from JEE Main 2016 from the chapter current electricity. So question is the temperature dependence of resistance of copper and undoped silicon is in temperature range of 300 and 400 Kelvin is best described by which of the options. So we can use, we know that semiconductor have negative temperature coefficient of resistance and conductor have positive temperature coefficient of resistance. So as temperature increases, the resistance also increases for conductor, but in case of semiconductor, as temperature increases, resistance decreases. But in case of conductor, the increase in temperature, when temperature increases, resistance also increases, and increase in resistance is linear. But in case of semiconductor, increase in resistivity or resistance is exponentially varying by this equation, where Eg is the energy gap, Kb is the Boltzmann's constant, and T is temperature in Kelvin. So we can tell that for conductor, resistivity varies as rho 0 into 1 plus alpha into T minus T naught. So resistance also varies accordingly with a linear relation, where resistance values like R equal to R0 into 1 plus alpha into T minus T naught. So best option is for conductor it varies linearly, and for which is given silicon it varies exponentially. But in one case it increases, resistance increases in case of conductor, but in case of semiconductor, that is silicon, it decreases. So right option is C. To know more about the concept of temperature dependent of resistivity, you can watch the video here and you can get the concept from the book H.C. Verma part 2, page number 175, line number 24, and Electricity and Magnetism by D.C. Pandey, page number 13, line number 10. Thank you students.